Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. Naylor's class. I'm Mr. Naylor, and today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to write an equation in y equals mx plus b form. So let's start off with taking a look at the equation that we have here. The equation that we have here, we want to write as y equals mx plus b. Now this is called slope-intercept form. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the letter b. So I'm going to look at this graph and I'm going to determine where does this graph cross the y-axis. It crosses it right here at -1. So the b is -1. The next thing that I'm going to do is from this point right here, from the y-intercept, I'm either going to go up or down and to the right and find the next point on the graph. So if you look, that's not a point on the graph right there. A point on the graph is a point like this. That is 3, 0. So since I'm going up, the rise is going to be 1. And then I'm going to run over 1, 2, 3. So up 1 over 3. Remember that if I was going down 1, the slope would be -1, but since I'm going up, it's 1. So the equation for this line is going to be y equals, instead of mx, it's going to be 1/3 x plus, now I can put plus -1, or I can simplify it and just write 1/3 x minus 1. Now let's take a look at another problem. Our second problem, if we look at the graph, remember we always read graphs from left to right. So if I read this graph from left to right, it looks like I'm going down. So my slope should be negative. So let's go ahead and take a look at graphing it. It's already graphed, so I want to write it in y equals mx plus b form. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to find out what is the y-intercept. I want to put that in the letter b. The y-intercept is right here, across the y-axis at 0. So I'm going to put a 0 in for b. Now from there, I'm going to go to the next point. The next point is not this one. It's not there. It's right there. It's at 3, -1. So the rise, I'm going to go down 1. And then I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. So the slope is going to be -1 over 3 because I went down 1. So y equals -1/3 x plus 0. Now, if we're going to simplify this answer, we don't have to write the plus 0 there. We could always write y equals -1/3 x as our answer. Let's take a look at another one. Now, if we look at this problem, we can see that from left to right, it looks like we're going up. So our slope should be positive. So step number 1, I want to write the y-intercept in for b. Again, I'm going to use the equation y equals mx plus b. The y-intercept is right here. It's at -3. So I'm going to put a -3 in for b. Now from there, I'm going to go to the next point. The next point is right here. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, and over 1. So up 2 over 1 would be y equals 2 over 1x plus -3. Now if we want to simplify this answer, we don't need to write 2 over 1 because 2 over 1 is 2. And plus -3 could just be -3 or -3. So my simplified answer should probably look like this. Y equals 2x minus 3. Again, it's going up. It's got a positive slope. Is my slope positive? Yeah, +2. Let's take a look at another example. Now this one, I want you to take a look at it. I want you to try this one on your own. Press the pause button, give it a try, and then once you've done it, press the play button. I'll do it, and let's see if we got the same answer. Okay, let's take a look at it. This one again is going up left to right. This one's going to have a positive slope. I want to write it in y equals mx plus b form. This is called slope-intercept form again. The m is the slope, the b is the y-intercept. Step number 1, I want to write the y-intercept and put that in place of b. So it crosses the y-axis right there, +2. So I'm going to put a 2 in for b. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the right. I'm either going to go up or down. If I go up, it's positive. If I go down, it's negative. So here, the next point is right there. So I'm going to go up 1, and then I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3 to the right. So the rise is 1, the run is 3. So in place of m, I'm going to put 1/3. Y equals 1/3 x plus 2. The slope should be positive. It's positive 1/3. Looks good. Thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video, and we'll see you in the next one.